Meaning of guardedly.
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 Guardedly. The term guardedly refers to something done in a cautious or careful way. When someone does something guardedly, they are typically taking precautions to avoid any potential risks or negative consequences. The result of acting guardedly can vary depending on the situation. It could lead to a successful outcome where the person avoids any harm or damage, but it could also result in missed opportunities or a failure to take action due to excessive caution. Overall, acting guardedly involves a balanced approach to decision-making and risk-taking.